Hadley, what are we going to draw today?
The word art.
The word art. We hope you're excited and you're going to follow along with us. Now, before we do that, though, we wanted to feature some amazing art friends. Check it out.
They're such good artists.
Yeah, they are. They're really good artists. I love that this is all of their Christmas art. Which one's your favorite?
I like the puppy with the snow hat.
The puppy with the snow. I love all of their art, and I like that one too. And I love all of the funny faces and all their drawings. They are such good artists. And we wanted to feature them because they are friends of our family. We're so glad that you guys love drawing with us. All right, Hadley, what do our art friends need for this lesson?
You need a pencil,
Pencil,
a marker, some paper, and something to color with.
We're first going to start by using our pencils, and we're going to write the word art. Now, you could write any word you wanted. You could write the word dog, or cat, or bird.
Or goose.
Or goose. So let's start down here in the bottom left, and I'm going to draw it going diagonal. I'm going to draw the letter A, and I'm just going to draw it normal, just like a regular letter A. Then we're going to change it to make it look more like graffiti. Then we're going to draw or write the letter R.
Draw or write.
Yeah. Good. Nice. Then I'm going to draw T.
T.
A-R-T. Art. Now we can change each of these letters to make them look cooler or more like graffiti. So I'm going to draw this side of the A coming down a lot further. I like it, Hadley. And then we can even draw the R coming down too and crossing over. All right, now this R, the front of the R, let's draw that coming out. And we want to make it look like it's just continuing, like it's one line.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, and then I'm going to extend the T down a little further and also the top of the T up really high. Good.
A sword.
It does look like a sword. Now let's put our pencils off to the side. Now we wanted to make sure that I kind of pressed hard just so that it would show up on the camera, but I should have mentioned that you want to do this part lightly. Okay, so just press really light because we're going to erase these lines at the end. Let's switch to our markers, and we're going to go around the outside of each letter. So I'm going to start over here. Now if we go too fast, our art friends can always what?
Pause the video.
If you need more time, you can pause the video. We're going to go on the outside. We don't want to trace on the pencil. We're going to start here. We're going to go up and down. It's like a roller coaster. Now up here, let's draw another upside down V inside. And then connect the bottom so it looks like a triangle. Now let's finish the bottom of our A. We're going to go across, and I kind of went diagonal. Back up. Make sure you don't connect to the pencil, and then go across. And then we're going to go down. And I went really far. Okay, and then we can connect the A at the bottom. I like your A. Okay, now let's do the letter R. I'm going to start on the outside, go up, around, and make sure you don't connect again to the pencil line. And then we're going to go forward. Good. Now let's jump down here, and we're going to draw a line coming up like this, getting close. Yep, and then we're going to draw the bottom part of the R, and I'm going even further. And then over here, we can connect it. All right, cool. Let's finish the bottom part of the R. We're going to go around this part right here, over, and then back up. Oh, perfect, Hadley. Now we can draw the inside of the R. So I'm going to draw a line that comes down. This is going to look like the letter D. All right, next let's do the letter T. We're going to go out and up.
Squeaky.
Squeaky markers, I'm sorry. Then let's go across the top, and then we can go down. And then let's go around the outside again, over, back in, and then connect down to the R. Okay, now we're going to jump over and we're going to finish the left side. So go out and down. Yeah, now let's finish this last little bit. We're gonna imagine this line right here going behind the R and then coming out the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Like that. So imagine this line and then connect them.
I didn't have enough room.
Oh, that's okay. I like it. It looks really cool, Hadley. You did a great job. Now we're going to put our markers down, put them off to the side, and we're going to switch to our erasers, and we're going to erase all of the pencil lines, the guidelines that we used for each of the letters. Next, we're ready to color it. Now this part we're gonna fast forward one more time, but at the end you guys can pause it to match the same coloring or use your creativity to color your word any way you want. You ready to fast forward?
Yes.
Hadley, great job on coloring the word art. I especially love the blending you did. You started with red and then it blended to what color?
Orange.
Orange, and then blended at the end to
Yellow.
yellow up at the top. And then we chose a cool color to go around the outside because we used warm colors on the inside. And if you guys did the opposite, if you used cool colors for the word art, use a hot color or a warm color to go around the outside like yellow or orange. What time is it?
Challenge time.
Challenge time. We want to challenge you guys to do something. What should they do?
To draw a different word.
Oh, I like it. Use the same steps that we did in this lesson, but change the word. They could use potato.
Or ostrich.
Yeah, you could write the word ostrich. Parents, take a photo of your child's finished drawing and post it to Facebook or Instagram and use 2 tags, @Art4Kids Hub and hashtag
AFKH challenge.
Yes, that last one keeps all of the art together so that it's easy to find. Then on Monday, we're gonna spotlight some lucky art friends that participated in the challenge and then feature them in our Monday video. And we're gonna give them a prize. What do they get?
$20 for Amazon to buy more art supplies.
Yeah, more art supplies. We can't wait to see your awesome art. And we'll see you later, art friends.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.